Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to get ready to do some math today. So let's go ahead and share our screen and let's look at that math paper. And so what we want to do is we're going to look up at the vocabulary words in front of and behind. So let's think about those two words for a second. In front of and behind. So when I look at myself, in front of me, I can be holding a marker. Behind me, I have the curtains, right? So in front of and behind. All right, let's go ahead and look at this. In front of, behind. In front of, behind. So let's look at our first picture. And in our first picture, we have a tree. And if we look at the tree, the ball is in front of the tree. And when we look at the second picture, look at it's hiding. It is behind the tree. So I have a little kitty cat and I want to go ahead and draw a ball of yarn in front of the kitty cat. So I'm going to draw just a little tiny ball in front of. Then what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to do something behind. And behind the kitty cat, I think I'm going to go ahead and I am going to draw a mat that is behind the kitty cat. So he's not on it, but it's behind him. So now let's look at this other kitty cat. Okay, this one is a little bit smaller. If I want to, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw behind the kitty cat. I'm going to draw a string behind. Okay, in front of the kitty cat, I'm going to draw a little toy mouse. So funny, right? Okay, my little toy mouse. So we have in front of, behind. I'm going to write in front of, dun dun dun, and behind, B-E-H-I-N-D. All right, let's go ahead and look at this one. Remember, in front of and behind. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this last picture. And this last picture is a little bit silly because we've got some puppy dogs. And next to the puppy dogs, we've got some shapes, right? And so what I want you to do is I want you to circle the shape that is next to the puppy dog. So here's the puppy dog. I'm sorry. I want you to circle the cylinder next to the puppy dog. So there's two puppy dogs, but which one is the cylinder? That's right. This one right here. Good job. Okay, let's go ahead and look at our work that we're going to do today in front of and behind. And we have this little picture of the little boy, and it looks like the boy is at the beach. And it says, draw a beach ball in front of the boy. So we want to make sure if it's in front, right out in front. And I'm going to draw a little beach ball. Okay, then it says circle the pail behind the boy. So we're going to circle that pail that is behind the boy. Then it says mark an X on the lunchbox in front of the boy. So there are two lunch boxes, but this one is in front. Then it says circle the basket next to or beside the boy. Now that was a word we didn't work on, but next to would be to the side. So we're going to circle that basket next to. Let's review, okay? So we have, here's the boy, the ball is in front, the lunch pail is in front, okay? Let's look at this one. This one shows behind. Let's flip it over. And now let's look at some animals. It says draw a square in front of the bunny. Excuse me. Then it says draw a circle behind the rabbit. This one's a little bit hard. So I'm going to draw my circle a little bit behind my rabbit. Then it says circle the bird next to the cylinder. So now I'm going to find the shape first. So I know this is a cylinder and it says circle the bird next to the cylinder. Okay, this is a cube, can't be this one. Then it says circle the bird beside the sphere. So let's bring this up and let's look at this. So let's look for the sphere, right? This is a cylinder, can't be this one. So this is our sphere and it's got to be the bird that's next to the sphere. So today we're talking about in front of and behind. Remember, in front of, behind, in front of, behind. Now, can you go get something from your house and show me in front of and behind? I can't wait to see it.